beloved. I've always wanted to say that. You may be seated.
Never been better, living real, real good. Let me show you. I'm living real, real good. Yes, I am, real, real good. Oh, you better believe it. If you don't, then I think you should.
Pretty wild concept to feel so strongly for somebody, so much love, so much passion that you want to get the law involved. I can see that same love and passion in Brendan and Rachel, and I can't wait to celebrate it for years to come.
Let me show you.
How I found you, God only knows. It must have shaped you from a dream, made you so I wouldn't be alone. I'll be lifted on your wings.
Brendan Nicholas Hanrahan. I look back on the night we met with so much gratitude. It was a Friday night in Gainesville, Florida, the night before a football game. I was going out with some friends, and it was my last semester before I graduated college, and I was going to be moving to California. I look over and I see this very handsome man with chiseled cheekbones in the neon light. He kind of had a furrowed brow, and so I walked up to him and I asked, "Are you as miserable as you look?"
Since the day we met, I have always felt a unique connection and desire to be with you. Even though life did its absolute damnedest to keep us apart, our love for each other triumphed time and time again. Today, I stand before you, ready to announce to God, as well as our family and friends, that I vow to love you, protect you, and care for you for the rest of my life.
The chances that our paths would cross at all were slim. The chances of you not rejecting me after my horrible pickup line, even more slim. And the chances of you moving to a town that would further intertwine our paths, well, it was no coincidence. Since that night, I have fallen in love with you over and over again. I promise to encourage your passions, honor your individuality, and hold your hand without trying to hold you back. I promise to turn every kitchen of ours into a dance floor, and that I won't stop trying to get you to eat vegetables. For as long as we both shall live, I will be by your side, for better or worse, in sickness and health, for richer and poorer.
Brendan and Rachel, by the power vested in me, by the Universal Life Church and the great state of Florida, yes. I now pronounce you husband and wife.
Forever from now. Forever from now.
Ladies and gentlemen, I have the honor to pronounce Mr. and Mrs. Hanrahan.
Give me that sunshine.
gift to hold up
I was reminded the other day, over at Grandpa and Grandpa Tim's house, that the name Hanrahan translates to warrior in Gaelic. My mom Susie is an incredibly fierce, but also compassionate woman. She's an absolute warrior. She's with us tonight, and she would absolutely want us to rip up this dance floor, so. Here's to Mom, here's to Susie, Slancha.
Sunshine, sunshine. Give me them good times, good times. Nothing but good vibes, good vibes. Give me that sunshine, sunshine. I will scream from the highest mountain. I will love like there's nothing in my way.
Passionate and fearless. A young woman about to graduate college and take the California engineering scene by storm, meeting a dashing young man at the beloved Rowdy Reptile in Gainesville, Florida.